Right, there it is, that one tigris, what's it called? Backwoods Bungalow 2.0. Doing a bit of a camp in it. I'm out again with Bergen Outdoors. Good company, you see. Can't just have anybody out camping with you, can you? No, I'd rather go on my own. Yeah, I'd rather go on my own than have some people camping with me. Yeah. Mrs. No, I better not say that, I love her really. Yeah. There it is, all set up. Sleeping bag, I'm using my hammock sleeping pad in there because it was already in my rucksack, so I thought why not. I can bike down quilt, which is probably going to be too warm tonight, but I'll down sleeping bag, I'll use it as a quilt. All my stuff's inside there, my rucksack and everything. I've just left my possibles, my water and my food outside there. And so we'll see what it's like tonight. I should be comfortable enough. I'm lying down on the floor, aren't I? So I'm going to sleep back. I've probably got my head downhill there, so I'll swap myself round so my feet are down there. But it's like perfect for woods. Perfect. It's perfect out the clearings. We've got a few clearings around here, but it's paths close by, so we just moved into the woods out of the way. And there you go. And by the way, thanks for clicking on my video and thanks for watching. It's appreciated. The subscriptions I'm really appreciative of. A lot of people watch and don't subscribe, but I suppose that's the nature of the beast. You know, I don't know, I think 3,000 people watch and I've got 150 subscribers. But there you go. At least people are watching and I'm happy with that. So there you go for now. I'll get back to you in a bit when I've sorted some timber out and stuff for the camp, and I'll give you a quick tour around. Bit of tour of the area we're in. Nice bit of sunshine coming through, dappled through the trees. We've got paths within about 60-70 yard of us, maybe 100 yard. There's Bergen Outdoors is set up there. Nice little Dutch Army bivvy, no messing about. I used to have one, it's just a bit heavy on me because I'm an old bleed and I can't carry that much weight. But I loved it when I had it. A bit of a shelter been built here, so we thought we'd utilise this area. We're a bit messy. Bergen Outdoors has done a lot of tidying up. People left shite everywhere. When I was pitching up, he tidied the camp up. But there's an old tent in there, it looks like. I'll see what tent it is, it might be a good one. I doubt it, but yeah, and that's what they've been using as a fire pit, an old washing machine drum. So we might utilise that. But it's a lovely area at camp. Do a quick wander about. It's just a good area. You get a lot of people around here through the day, walking and dog walking and bringing the kids. But once evening starts closing in, everyone disappears pretty quick. So it's pretty good. There's a few clearings around here. A few clearings. The camp's hardly noticeable back there if you look. It's just hardly noticeable. I'm nowhere near the pass yet and you can't see anything. So it should be pretty good. Oh, it should all be cushy. Just got to watch, the fingers it video, just got to watch me footing, because there's a lot of brambles around here. There's a lot of deer around here as well, which is good. Another nice clearing there. It's a bit tussocky. A deer trail running straight down here to that open meadow there. Further along there's some massive open meadows and the deer use them for grazing obviously. But it's a beautiful part of the world, that's for sure. Yeah, it is. See what the camp looks like from this perimeter of the woods. You can see it from here, but there's no path near here. It's not that noticeable though. You'd have to really be looking for it. There's another deer trail that I'm following just on the outskirts. Lovely area this for camp. It's not a mission to get to. Some of them are a mission to get to. Fair enough, you enjoy it while you're there, but getting there can be a pain. But this is quite easy, straightforward to get to. A couple of dog walkers out and back. Oh look, apple tree. That's the crab apples, but there you go. Nice to see it out at wild here. Hawthorns and a few other things. Sycamores, ash, oak, proper deciduous forest. Funny roof for your kitchen this time. You got an 18-inch porch.
That's
Well,
ideal, isn't it?
zips
Just
up.
put an idea on the side.
Yeah, you can stick all the onions back. Well, it says enough room for 2 people, really. You know, so you've got enough room for all your kit. Yeah, we're not videoing this bit. Bit of fire prep. Just boring, innit? Watching fire preparation. So we don't video it that much. There's plenty of stuff around here. Plenty of timber. We found that to use as a little fire pit. So we'll use that. It's better than just burning it ground, innit? Somebody's had a camp. We're right at the back of his shelter there, like. Put a lot of effort into that, haven't they? They'll probably come back to it. There's nobody been down here for a long while though. I've just picked some. Oh! Not good with it. I've just picked some. What's it called? Charred timber up from down there. What they had a fire. The fire pit were, and it's turned to punk wood. So it's a while ago since they had the fire. Yeah. Nice bit of sunshine there through trees. Jesse's put his big tarp up there as well. Well, 3x3 I think, innit?
Yeah, 3x3.
Yeah, tarp up.
Something to sit under later if it started raining.
Yeah. Well, that's why I didn't bring my drone. Because I thought it's going to rain and not fly my drone at rain.
As the Bell Wanderer says, you know it makes sense.
Get some pots and pans out.
Alright, that's looking good, is that?
There's loads of them black beetles over here.
Bloody loads of them over there. Some big buggers, I know.
Got some beans and sausage. What's the plate this time? I should have done a pot hanger. That's not so bloody cool. So there you go. Nice bit of tea. Cheddar mash, sausage and beans. Look at that. Get in you. Get it in you.
Tell you what, that steak's a banging steak.
I know I should have brought another steak, but I bet people are getting sick of seeing me eat steak.
Won't
Why
mind
should-
setting some snares up here, you know.
You
Catch
know
some
why I
rabbits.
should bother what they think? I don't know.
Yeah. Won't mind doing that, catch some rabbits and cook some rabbit up or something.
Yeah, I like rabbit.
Can you set snares on that, John?
Yeah.
Can do all that.
I haven't seen any things of a warren round here though, no signs of a warren. Don't mean there ain't rabbits, it just means they aren't here. You have to be careful where you set snares up because you can catch all kinds of snares that you don't necessarily want.
Yeah,
to.
necessarily won't.
Don't like that. powdery mash and beans. Different, isn't it? Well, it's not different, it's just a quick meal, isn't it? Well, relatively quick. Quicker at house.
So your YouTube channel, John,
Yeah.
have you like promoted it or anything?
Not really.
In any way?
Not really, no.
So you just basically upload a video and just see what happens? Is that all you've been doing?
I share it with people I know on Facebook and stuff. And
Yeah. I just put it on a camping group that I go on.
I'm not I don't know much about the marketing side of it. I suppose there is a big thing, you know. I've got that tube buddy, but
yeah,
keeps giving me advice on what to do, and I go, yeah, can't be asked. I'm not bothered about promoting it that much, really. People like it, they like it, it'll get found eventually, won't it, if they like it?
That's it. I'm just trying to think of different things to put on the channel. Because everyone's, well, we're not all doing the same thing as such, are we? But
yeah, but I've been doing it for over, well, since, I think, last October.
Yeah.
So it's nearly 12 months I've been doing it. I've only got 150 subscribers.
Yep.
But I've got over 3,000 watches.
Yeah.
And I've had over 30,000 hits. You know, so there's that many people doing this. You know, it's just, it says in that YouTube, but it says what's your niche.
Yep.
And you put it in, it'll say there's millions and millions of people doing it. But main reason I'm doing it is so like my family can see it, my grandkids, you know. When I'm not here anymore, they'll be able to tell that to my granddad.
Back on, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not for basically, I don't know what it is for. I just enjoy doing it. I enjoy the camping site. Sometimes I pain it ass filming, to be honest with you. Sometimes can't be asked. Sometimes just work purposely to camp and not do anything else. Sometimes a video can interfere with what a good camp. I just record it until my batteries go flat and then try and pick out if there's something half interesting.
What do you think's best bet?
Yeah. It's like foraging. A lot of people go on about foraging. You've got to be extremely careful when you're foraging. Nature's competition, isn't it? And they've all got defences against being eaten and stuff, so you've got to be careful. We're just tiny players in this environment.
Oh, aye.
Well, we're doing it because we enjoy it. Everything that's out here is doing it because it's no choice. Because it's where it lives. That's plant and animals. I'm going to have to wash these out while they're still moist. So we'll let it dry, it'll be solid. You know, best way to clean titanium.
Go on.
I'll show you. What's this?
I just took it in the fire. Well, he's put the hammers in it, not.
Move off my fingers are red hot. Let that burn off now. It'll turn everything to ash inside. Then rinse it out. It can stand temperatures of 2000 degrees, so it should be alright in there.
Certainly sterile.
Yeah. That's the main objective, isn't it? Don't eat bad food.
Oh well, we're still enjoying it. Cheers everyone who's watching the video so far.
Yeah, it's all appreciated, people watching these videos. Honestly, I don't know. I didn't start it off not doing them. That weren't bothered if anybody watched them, but I'm really glad that people do. You know what I mean? It's like when I do a review, I'm trying to be as honest as I can be. If I think there's a fault and I don't like it, I won't hide it, and I buy everything myself, and I don't get anything given me. Now I've got that much gear. I'll do a video on how much gear I've got, and it's shocking. It's shocking, and it's all we're watching other people's reviews, and you think, oh, it's sound. I've watched 10 reviews on this, and they all say it's outstanding, and you get it, and it's crap. You know, and you're like, oh, what a bummer. You know what I mean? You've done your research, but it didn't help you. If you know what I mean.
Kind of backfired.
It just cost you a fortune, which didn't necessarily have to do.
Yeah, didn't need to.
No. If we'd have gone, paid the money and bought the top of the line gear straight away, it would have been worth every penny. It works. It's not 500 quid for a full hammock setup for nothing. It's good. You know what I mean? It's bloody good. So I should have bought. If I'd have bought that at the beginning, I wouldn't need to buy anything else. Well, I probably would, because I'd have wanted to see what the other side were like then.
You must like them because you bought three set.
Yeah,
three
I have,
lots
yeah.
of it, mate.
And I want another one yet. I want an XL to see if that's any better.
You just need 3 of you to do it.
Yeah,
You're
but
the
buy
same
an
first,
XL,
right,
that means buying an XL pad.
Yep.
And it's money, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So pay a few things first, I think, like bills before I buy anything else.
That's it, yeah, the important stuff.
Yeah. Stuff that keeps a roof over your head.
That's it.